Hi guys, my name is Manny Laktuan, and the application that we will be introducing is the Microsoft Word. So before we proceed to our video, I'll be discussing the history and the creator of the Microsoft Word. So the developer of this application is Charles Simonyi, and the history of this application is Microsoft Word, known also as Word, is word processing software and a flagship product of Microsoft. It is an integral part of the Microsoft Office suite of products and is the most widely used word processor in the world. In fact, it's estimated the world is running on more than a billion devices worldwide. First released on 1983 under the different name, Word celebrated its 25th birthday on 2018. Its popularity lies on its ease of use, plus the fact that it can be used on different operating systems, including Macintosh and, of course, Windows. Word can be bought as an standalone product or as part of Microsoft Office, which also includes programs like Excel and PowerPoint.
This is the beginner's guide to using Microsoft Word and specifically using it to create documents like reports, essays, handouts, flyers, things like that. And now I'll just go here and click the Microsoft Word. And also, if you don't have Microsoft Word in your taskbar, you can search Microsoft Word right here. Just type either Microsoft Word or just Word 2013. But if you cannot still see anything, then maybe it is not installed in your PC. But like I said, I'm going ahead and click on that. Let's click this yes, and okay. And now Microsoft opens right up. There's all sorts of great documents. There's a lot. They have banner, they have report, they have brochures, and so on. And also, across the top, notice that you can filter them by categories. So, this one, they filter by categories. So I can just show business, cards, flyers, letters, education, and so on. And also we can also search for online templates right above the categories. You can search online if you are connected to an internet connection. So templates can be a great time saver. You can just select one of these templates and then open it up and then edit it. But in this tutorial, we are going to focus just on creating starting from scratch. And so I'm going to click here where it says blank document. And it opens up the Microsoft Word layout and a blank document. So now, I'm going to give you a very quick tour of Microsoft Word. So you will notice across the top, you will have tabs which are the file, we have home tab, insert, design, page layout, references, mailings, review, view, and WPS PDF. This is just similar to the Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. Each of these tabs, when you click on it, it will show you a different ribbons. So these are the ribbons. This one. That is the ribbon. So each tab has their own ribbon, and now each ribbon is divided into groups. So this is the clipboard. So this is the groups: the clipboard, the font, the paragraph, styles, and editing. Same as the other in the other tabs, like insert, design. So one thing about groups that you need to be aware of is some groups have a little launch button. For example, this one in the styles, this little button, this is the lunch button, this one. So when I need more options, I just need to click this little lunch button right here, then it will pop up a lot of options to choose, same as the others. For paragraph, for font, and for clipboards, and to the rest. So what are the purpose of these lunch buttons, and why you need to know about them? Well, whenever you see a lunch button, what that means is that there are more tools but they couldn't fit in the space provided in the group. So if I want more styles for my text, I can just simply click right here to choose. And now I'm going to create a wonderful document, and let's make this as an example of handout or a worksheet for students. So let's type name, then year level, and then subject. And I would like this to be the title of my document, so let's put our title. So let's say our title will be ICT software application and networking systems used in seagoing ships. So that would be our title. So what I'm going to do is highlight this line, and then we can see an option that will pop up. But I'm going to go to the home tab because the home ribbon is where you can see the most commonly needed options in Microsoft. I can make this text bigger, just like I said earlier. Change the fonts. Change the font. Oh, no, not that. Change the fonts. I can change the color also to this text. I can put blue. I can make it bold, underlined, italic. Change, and then make this and put this into the center. We also have here a bullets. We have also numberings, but I mostly use these bullets and numbering when I have a list. I'm making list. We can also use this styles. Just click here to see more. So there's a bunch of options right here. So I'm going ahead and click let's highlight this first. I'm going ahead and click this title. So when you use styles, you can still adjust this. You can make this bold, underlined, put italic, change the font size, and put it in the center. So I'm going to hit the enter button to proceed to the next line. So now I'm going to start creating directions of my document. Directions. So let's pretend I'm just making a direction. So here we can use our mouse to go around just like this to edit or adjust something. And if you want to have a blank space, just hit the enter button a few times. And notice this. If you continue hitting the enter button, it will proceed to the next page. Just Just watch this. Just like that. It will automatically go to the second page. So I'm already leaving here a blank space, then I can now type here down below like that. So few essentials to know about Microsoft Word include how to insert pictures, because that's really one of the most powerful things about Microsoft Word. So let's go from the insert tab, because from the word insert you will insert something. So let's click on that, and you can see here some groups and things that you might insert in your document. So we have a table, we have pictures, online pictures. You can also insert online if you are connected to a network. I close that. You can also insert shapes, some charts. And aside from online picture, you can also insert online video. So let's go and insert some pictures. So it opens my documents directly and let me browse my computer. So let's go here and select one picture that we might use. So what this we will choose this. So here, in inserting photos in Microsoft Word, it would bring some difficulties. Like for example, I want this picture to be put right here in this blank space, but what happened is the picture is way too big. So what I'm going to do is adjust it. So just click this little dots, little buttons to resize the picture. Let's click and drag it now to make it smaller, to resize it. Okay, there you are. And I'm still struggling because I want to drag this photo right here. The reason why, it is because this photo has a specific layout option that come pre-selected by default, and so I need to change those layout options. Then you just need to click the picture and you will see a little button here. This is the layout option. So you can choose here. We have behind text and behind front, top and bottom, square, tight, and through. You can also right click the picture and select the wrap text. It will also gives you the same option. So I'm going to use either of these two, the behind text or in front of text. Either one would work great, so I'm going to choose the behind text. So now the picture is now, and you can now move the picture freely, not compared before that you cannot move. And notice this one, when you click the picture, it will show you some other tabs, the format tabs. I want you to notice this because this will give you a wonderful options, the format, anything that is special that you insert, like shapes, charts, or maybe pictures or video. So we have here, we can remove the background, we can do some corrections, colors, and artistic effects. We also have a frames, we have picture styles. So we can do this, and we have also other options of that. Just click that little button. You can make also that a 3D. Like that. Let's make that back to normal. You can insert here like this. You can insert shapes like that. There it shows up, it pops up another tab, which is the format. Shape styles, we have the word art styles, we can change the colors, and also we can also insert tables. How many tables do we need to insert? So let's drag this down. And also these tables also shows up a new tab, the design and layout. Designs, so we can choose different designs for our tables. So before we proceed to our topic, I want you to know this review is spelling and grammar. So spelling and grammar is very important because when you are creating an essay or maybe a handouts, spelling and grammar is very important. So we also have here the thesaurus and word count and so on. So in the word count, when your teachers wants you to create an essay which is 2000 words, you can just click here to know how many words you have. So it will show you the pages, words, characters with no spaces, characters with spaces, paragraphs, and lines. You can also find that down here below. Consider pages and words. So let's undo and close this one. So next is, let's imagine that we're already done creating our document. So I'm going to click this file, the file tab, or maybe you can just click Ctrl plus S for shortcut, but I'm just going to click the file tab. So let's go and click it, and now it will show you a bunch of options, which are the info, new, open, save as, create WPS, PDF, print, and so on. So let's go and click the save as. So right here, I can save my file just through my computer, or maybe I can just put it directly to my documents, or maybe I can browse my file, or I can just go here in my drives. So I have 3 drives. I have the local disk C, D, and E, and I will save my file here in local disk D. So I already have this ICT. You cannot repeat the file name. What I need to do is I will put a number, so I will just put 1 and then save it, and that's it. We already saved our document. We can already close this application. So I hope you enjoy our video for today, and I hope you learn. So thank you and goodbye.